Good day. Today I'm going to show you the basic badminton skills. So first of all, you must learn how to hold your racket. So imagining like you're doing a handshake like this, and then you close your thumb and your fingers just like this. So the first basic badminton skills are the gripping techniques. So we have the forehand gripping techniques. You do like this. You do a V shape at the middle of the handle of the racket, and then you smash. And let's move on to our second gripping techniques. This is the backhand gripping techniques. We do like this. We put our thumb at the middle of the handle of the racket, and then we do like this. Next, we have the basic badminton footwork. So there are two badminton footwork, the forehand and the backhand defense. So your position must be like this. You need to stay nice and low so you can easily move around the corner. In forehand defense, we have to do like this. You need to launch and recover. Launch, then recover. Then in your forehand defense, you need to do opposite of your forehand defense. You need to do like this. Then recover. Split, launch, and recover.
Go.
Next, we have the badminton strokes. We have four types of badminton strokes. We have the overhead and the underarm, forehand and backhand strokes. So in our forehand and overhead stroke, we do like this. And then in our backhand overhead stroke, we do like just the opposite that we do in our forehand. Always remember, it is overhead, over your head. And then in our underarm forehand stroke, we do like this. Then our backhand underarm stroke. And now, let's move on to our badminton serving. So we have three types of serving: the low, high, and the flick serving. So the low serving. And then the high serving. And lastly, we have the flick serving. You need to do a fake smash. And lastly, we have the badminton stance. So we have three types of badminton stance: the defensive, offensive, and the net stance. So for the defensive stance, you need to make your leg slightly apart and then your knee slightly bent from the ground so you can just easily move around. So for doubles, you need to face your racket in front of you because some of your opponent will smash, so you can just easily receive the shuttlecock like this, because it is low already, so you can easily just receive. And for the single game, you need to make the racket outward a little bit so you can just receive the shuttlecock from your opponent easily. Then for the offensive stance, we have the key here is to make your racket above your head so you can just so your racket is ready to receive the shuttlecock from your opponent like this. And then for the net stance, is just like we're going to consider this as our net. So this is how it works when you do a net stance, just like this. And that would be all. Thank you.